Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sign up problem on the application of REDnote. We click on settings and we click here. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of REDnote and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then here we go to this page of storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.